Welcome to the AZDroneFest Film Selection Party.
I want to personally invite you to our film festival, our screening and awards ceremony at Grand Canyon University. Our goal is not only to showcase the local talent here in Arizona, but the talent from around the world. Our drone family-friendly expo will be open for free to the public. This is an opportunity for young and old to experience drones in many different industries, with demonstration and vendors available to answer your questions. Our VIP ticket holders will have access to professional panel discussions on many aspects of aerial cinematography. With drone cinematography being used in so many different industries, we have many categories for you to enter your work in. To find out more or buy your VIP tickets, visit us online at AZDroneFest.com.
In the Arizona category, the nominees are The nominees for Best First Responders are In the FPV category, the nominees are The nominees for Best Industrial are In the landscape category, the nominees are In the narrative category, the nominees are In the new drone pilot category, the nominees are In the still photography category, the nominees are In the showreel category, the nominees are Congratulations to all the selected films, and good luck! Don't forget to purchase your VIP tickets by visiting our website at AZDroneFest.com.